Hello and welcome back to my channel. I did a presentation on my deionized water cart, my brief introduction, and I'm going to be going through each component of that cart. However, I wanted to do talk about something that took my detailing to the next level. I just got this air compressor and the Tornador, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Max and the Mini. These things are amazing. I always thought I was a good detailer until I started using compressed air, and it definitely takes it to the next level. So compressor works well. It might be a little underpowered, but it does fine for the job, and just getting in between the nooks and crannies. This thing is amazing. You can change it so it shoots the liquid in here. I have Griot's Garage interior cleaner in here. So I spray it on the dashboard or on the console, and then you can either wipe it down or you can switch it over to just air, and you can dry it using the compressed air. So pretty amazing. It does an amazing job. You can do door panels, you can do exterior of the car, wheels, engine, all kinds of different things you can do with this. I use it mostly for the interior, and it's amazing. So if you want to take your detailing to the next level, I would suggest doing compressed air and using the Tornador. Thank you.